Hi, I miss you so much. Welcome back to my channel from English Planet with Noor. How are you today? Today we're gonna talk about a new lesson for all the objects around you in the school. Are you ready to learn some names or vocabulary for school objects? Let's get started. Don't go anywhere. How do you go to school? Do you go to school by bus, by car, or by train, or by subway? How do you go to school? I got to work or I got to school by a car. And what about you? If you got to school by bus, what's the color of your school bus? Is it yellow? Is it red? Is it black or white? What? Is it yellow? Yeah, my school bus is yellow. Repeat after me. My school bus is yellow. Excellent. Look above me. That's a school bus picture. This is a school bus. What's the color of the school bus? It's yellow. Yellow. Very good. I got a school by bus. Do you like your school? I really like my school and my teachers. That is my school. That is my school. I love my school. Our school consists of some teachers, classes, garden, amusement park, and bathrooms. Do you got a school or kindergarten? If you got a kindergarten, you will find some small classes for all kids to teach and to learn some new topics like letters and numbers or English topics or even science with your teachers. Do you really like your kindergarten? Do you really like your school? And what does our school consist? Our school consists of classes, excellent teachers, whiteboards, kids or pupils, garden, and amusement park like slide, swing, seesaw, and trampoline. Do you want to go to school to go to garden and please and enjoy yourself in the garden and ride on the slide and swing? I really like jumping onto the trampoline, and also I really like swing. My class is consisted of my teachers, English, science, math, religion, PE, and art teachers, and all of them can teach me some new topics in my classroom. And what else? What inside my classroom? I have a whiteboard like this. I have a whiteboard and markers to write letters and numbers or draw some beautiful pictures on the whiteboard of my classroom. And also I have this one. What's that? It's a TV. I have a TV in my classroom to watch some cartoons in English or some educational songs or videos. Do you have TV or smartboard in your classrooms? I have TV in my classroom. Do you have bookshelf? Like that one? That is my bookshelf in my classroom. I have bookshelf to put my books, booklets, and school supplies. Do you have bookshelf in your classroom? What's the color of it? Wow, that's a great one. What's inside your classroom? Oh, let's talk about furniture of our classroom. I have so many beautiful and colorful curtains in my classroom. They are blue, red, pink curtains. Do you have curtains over your windows of classrooms? Great. What are the colors of them? Wow, I really like these colors. Fantastic. But I have a carpet to cover the floor in the winter and summer. Do you have a carpet in your classroom? Do you have a carpet in your classroom? I have a lamp. A lamp is hanged up in the ceiling of my classroom. The teacher asks me every day to turn on the lamp to clear all the objects around us, especially when we are going to write or learn anything on our notebooks or in our whiteboards. We have to turn on the lamp. Do you have a lamp? We have white lamps. Do you have friends in your school? Do you have friends especially in your classroom? I have two friends in my classroom. I have Noor and Sarah. I have two friends in my classroom. How many friends do you have in your classroom? And tell me about the name of your teacher. Who's your favorite teacher? Do you like English teacher or math teacher or English teacher or art teacher or PE teacher? Which one do you like? Who is your favorite teacher? Let's move on to the third part of our vocabulary for today, which we use specially for our day in the school. A bag. Your school bag. I have my school bag and it's red and blue. And my flask of water. Color of your flask of water? Wow, I really like this color. It's beautiful one. Great. And also, I have my lunch box. My mom prepares my food and puts them in my lunchbox. And every day in the early morning, my teacher asks me to get out my lunchbox to eat my food. And my lunchbox consists of many tasty food. All food inside my lunchbox, I like them. Let me tell you about the food inside my lunchbox. I have a sandwich. I really like chocolate sandwich and cheese one. What's your favorite sandwich for breakfast? Wow, yummy! I like this type of food. And I have some fruits like apple, banana, or orange, or some grapes. Every day I have to eat fruit because fruit is very benefit for our health and our minds to learn more things with our teachers. And I have a boiled egg. I have egg in my lunchbox. Do you have egg in your lunchbox? And what else inside my lunchbox? I have some vegetables, some various vegetables in my lunchbox. And I have yogurt. That is yogurt. Do you like yogurt? Why? Why don't you like yogurt? It's very healthy and yummy. If you don't like it, ask your mom to pinch some little sugar on your yogurt to eat it. It will be tasty with the sugar. That's all inside my lunchbox. And what about the flask of water? That is a flask of water. And it's colorful, but that is a bottle of water. Can you know? Can you understand the difference between the flask and the bottle? Great. Unfortunately, that's the end of our episode today. If you like our video today, just thumb the video up and subscribe button. Click the subscribe button and turn on the little notification bell to reach to all videos for our channel. See you!